Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the slow keyboard typing issue on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on General. From here, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset. From this menu, just select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset Dictionary. After that, just go back to the main settings page and from here just go to Accessibility. And in Accessibility, you will find the option of Keyboards and Typing. Just tap on it. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of Slow Keys. Just tap on it, then disable Slow Keys. After you disable this option, then go back to the main settings page and tap on General. From here, just tap on Keyboards, and on this page you will have to disable two options. First of all, just disable autocorrection, and after that, just scroll down and disable predictive text. After you've done that, then go to your home screen and reboot your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings, then tap on General. From here, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix the slow keyboard typing issue on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.